Hey, welcome back. So in this video, we will discuss about the equality comparison operators. Okay, all right. So in the last video, we have seen the greater than, less than, greater than or equals to, less than or equals to operators. Now let's check for the equality. So let x equals to 10. All right. And now let's do console log x if that is equal. So one equal is for assigning values. We have to add two equals right now. So if that is the case, then it is true. Okay, all right. Now what I'll do, I'll just duplicate this one by using Shift Alt and down arrow, and I will convert this one to a string. It is also true. Okay, so under the hood, when we are using the two double equals operator, this equality operator, then what happens is that JavaScript under the hood takes this value and this value and tries to convert them to a same data type and then compare them. Okay, so currently right now we are getting something like this. All right. Also, let's do console log of, let's do x equals to, let's say 20. That will be false. Okay, x equals to true, that will also be false, right? So x is not a boolean, right? Okay, so this is how these things work. All right, so this is all good, but there are some of the problems with this type of comparison. What is that? Let me just show you. So what I'll do, so one of the problematic part is this one, but I will come back to it in a moment. So what I'll do console log of something like this: 0 double equals to false. What do you think will happen? That is true. Okay. Also 0 double equals to a string something like d. That is false, but 0 double equals to an empty string. That is also true. So these are some of the things which you have to keep in mind while using the double equals operator here, this equality comparison operator. So how we can solve these type of problems? Okay, to solve this type of problems, JavaScript has one other equality operator, which is the strict equality operator. Okay, so now let's do something like this: console log x triple equals 10. That is true. Okay, now if I just change it to the string 10, which I had here, right? That should be false, right? And that is false here. So when we are using the double equals, we are just checking for the values. But when we are using the triple equals, we are checking for the value as well as the type of the value. So when we are using the double equals, we check for the value. But when we are using the triple equals, we check for the value as well as the type of the value. Okay, so these things, okay, so these type of things will not occur. Also, one other thing which I forget to mention, so console log null double equals to undefined, that is also true. Okay, so that is also true. All right, so this is the true, but it is something to keep in mind. But now if I just do these ones, so I will just get rid of this one. I think you get the idea. So this is the stricter equality check, right? So now if I just do something like this, console log 0 triple equals to false, that is false. 0 triple equals to the empty string, that is also false. Okay, and also console log null triple equals to undefined, that is also false. So the rule of thumb is always use the triple equals. Do not use the double equals unless or until you have a pretty big reason to do so. Okay, all right. So these are the equality operators. Now let's talk about the inequality. Okay, So here we are having the let x equals to 10, right? So here what I can do, I can just go here, console log, let's do x. So to check for the inequality, what I can do, I can add an exclamation mark with something like this, 10. Okay, exclamation equals to. All right, so this is only checking for the values. Now if I just say that, as you can see, we are getting false. But if I just do something like this, we are also getting false, right? So this is problematic. To solve this problem, what we have this one. So console log, let's do x not equals to with double equals, okay, exclamation mark and then double equals 10, and then we will do the same thing with the strings. Okay, so here we are getting false, right? So I will comment out this one, and now we are getting false for this particular number because x is equals to 10. But here inside of the string comparison, we are getting true. Okay, so x is not equals to this string 10, right? Because x is a number. All right, so this is the equality operators in JavaScript. Okay, awesome. So in this video, we have learned about the double equals and triple equals in JavaScript and what are exactly the differences between the double equals and triple equals. And as a rule of thumb, you should always use this strict equality check. Okay, so the triple equals and the not equals with the double equals. Okay, so this one, so this one checks for the value as well as the type. Okay, this one checks for the value as well as the type, and this one, the double equals and thus not equal with the single equals basically do not check for the type, they only check for the value. Okay, so all right, in this video we have learned about the equality comparison operators in JavaScript.